Alright guys, do you have an old snowblower like this and your throttle cable has so much slack in it and you're losing drive power because it's just such a weak connection? Well, let me show you how to fix that right now. Okay, so if you go to the back of your snowblower here is your drive lever, and then here is the top part of your linkage. This is the part right here that you're going to adjust. See this whole threaded area right there? This is the area you have for adjustments, so we're basically going to slide this guy up. But the first thing you want to do is you want to disconnect this top end of your throttle linkage from your handle. So go ahead and pull that out first. Okay, so now you have that removed. Good job. Now, this threaded piece right here is actually just screwed into this part of the throttle housing. So because I can't use both my hands and hold the camera, I'm just going to put some tension on the line here, and I'm just going to back this out, and this should eventually just unscrew pretty easily. Alright, now this threaded part of this rod is pretty rusted, so I can't turn this adjustment nut by hand. So I'm going to take my 3/8 ratchet and I'm going to slip that on there, and I'm going to tighten it down maybe a 1/2 inch or so. Alright, and as you can see by the area of the threaded rod here that's clean and that part that's rusty, I backed it up a little more than a 1/2 inch, probably more like 3/4. But now I'm going to screw it back into the throttle here, and we'll hook it back up and see if we solve the problem. Okay, so I got the throttle cable securely back on the handle here, and as you can see, that slack is gone. Now it's nice and tight, and I guarantee you that is going to restore drive power because you're going to have a tighter connection. So I really hope that helped you guys. If it did, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Most of all, I appreciate you guys watching. Take care, stay safe.